Hi friends, welcome to GK and Current Affairs Learn Tricks. Today we are going to discuss current affairs of May 13, 2021. Top 15 questions with answers. Questions can be asked in all competitive exams like SSC, Railway, Bank, UPSC, PSC, etc. Last two questions are for you. If you know the answers, please comment in comment box. So please watch the video till end. First question. Who has been awarded with the World Food Prize 2021? Answer: Dr. Shakuntala Harak Singh. Dr. Shakuntala Harak Singh distilled a global nutrition expert of Indian descent who has won the prestigious 2021 World Food Prize for her groundbreaking research in developing holistic nutrition sensitive approaches to the aquaculture and food system. Second question. Which state government has announced free treatment of black fungus patients? Answer: Maharashtra. Patient of mucormycosis, a serious but rare fungal infection now affecting those suffering from coronavirus, will be treated for free under the Maharashtra government's flagship medicinal insurance scheme, Health Minister Rajesh Tope said on Monday. Third question. In which state the boat ambulance service was started? Answer: Jammu and Kashmir. The boat ambulance service equipped with healthcare facilities has started on Dal Lake in Jammu Kashmir Valley. A houseboat owner in Srinagar, Patlu, came up with the idea of floating ambulance last year after he was tested positive for coronavirus. Fourth question. Which country has allowed the use of Pfizer vaccine for 12 to 15-year-old children? Answer: US. An advisory panel of the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention on Wednesday recommended the use of Pfizer and BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine for children aged between 12 and 15. Fifth question. Who has been appointed as the new CMD of BPCL? Answer: Arun Kumar Singh. The Public Enterprises Selection Board, the government's head hunter, has picked Arun Kumar Singh as the chairman and managing director of state-run oil refinery and marketing firm Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited. Sixth question. Which bank has launched an artificial intelligence chatbot named Eva? Answer: HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank and Common Service Center on Monday launched chatbot Eva on CSC's Digital Seva portal to support the village level interpreters in providing banking services for the last mile rural consumers. Seventh question. Which space agency's Orisis Rex robot prospector started travel back to Earth? Answer: NASA. A NASA spacecraft carrying space rock fired in its main engines full throttle and began the long journey back to the Earth, bidding farewell to its 4.5 billion year old asteroid companion. Eighth question. Which organization has won Green Urja Award 2021? Answer: IREDA. India Renewable Energy Development Agency Limited has been conferred with the Green Urja Award for being the leading public institution in the financing institution for renewable this year by the Indian Chamber of Commerce. Ninth question. Who has launched international money transfer for United States users? Answer: Google Pay. Alphabet Inc's Google has launched international money transfer partnership with remittance firms Wise and Western Union for users of its US payments app, the company said on Tuesday. 10th question. Which company has suspended the vehicle purchase using Bitcoin? Answer: Tesla. Tesla has suspended the use of Bitcoin to purchase its vehicles because of climate concerns, Chief Executive Officer Elon Musk said in a tweet on Wednesday, reversing the company's stance in the face of an outcry from some environmentalists and investors. Elon Musk is the Chief Executive Officer of Tesla. 11th question. Name the app launched by Yono SBI and Shivarai Technologies for farm accounting. Answer: Farmizo Khata. Yono SBI joined hands with Shivarai Technologies to launch small farm accounting app Farmizo Khata. 12th question. Which institution has set up 12 members NTF to enhance public health response for the pandemic? Answer: the Supreme Court of India. The Supreme Court of India has put in place 12-member national task force, including top experts and doctors from across the country, to facilitate a public health response to the pandemic based on scientific and specialized domain knowledge. 13th question. Where is Rotuma Island situated as they celebrate the Rotuma Day on May 13th? Answer: Fiji. Rotuma Day is an annual celebration of islands of Rotuma, a Fijian dependency. It falls on May 13, the anniversary of the island's cession to United Kingdom in 1881. 14th question. Who has been appointed as the Chief Operating Officer of Starcom? Answer: Neeti Kumar. Publix Group honored media agency Starcom on Tuesday announced the appointment of Neeti Kumar as Chief Operating Officer with immediate effect. In this role, she will be responsible for client deliverables, revenue growth, and new business development across the agency's office. 15th question. Which country's population has crossed 1.4 billion population? Answer: China. From the trend of population development in recent years, the population growth will continue to slow in the future. NBS head Ning said, adding the China's total population will remain at more than 1.4 billion in the near future. Questions for you. Which bank provided $1.5 billion to India due to COVID-19 pandemic? Second question. Who will be designated as the new Finance Secretary of India? If you know the answers, please comment in comment box. Yesterday's questions answers. First question, Arjun Kalyan. Second, May 1st. Arjun Kalyan became the 68th Grandmaster of India, and May 1 is celebrated as International Labour Day. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.